I, Jayoti, and Dr. Gunja Singh, Faculty of Food Education and Methodology Department, Fashion and Interior from Jyoti Vidyapeeth University, Jaipur, Jaipur. Khush raho betiyon. Today I am going to teach you what is research methodology. The definition of research methodology is a careful consideration of a study regarding a particular concern of problem using scientific method. According to the American sociologist R. Robert Berry, research is the systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict and control the observed phenomena. Research involves inductive and deductive methods. Inductive research methods are used to analyze and absorb events. Deductive methods are used to verify the observed event. Inductive approaches are associated with qualitative research, and deductive methods are more common associated with quantitative research. Research is conducted with a purpose to understand what do organizations or businesses really want to find out. What are the processes that need to be followed to chase the ideas? What are the arguments that to be built around a concept? What is the evidence that will be required for people to believe in the idea or concept? What are the type of research? Following are the type of research method. Basic research. A basic research definition is data collected to enhance knowledge. The main motivation is knowledge expansion. It is a non-commercial research that doesn't facilitate in creating or inventing anything. For example, an experiment to determine a simple fact. Applied research. Applied research focuses on analyzing and solving real-life problems. This type refers to the study that helps solve practical problems using scientific method. Study play an important role in solving issues that impact the overall well-being of humans. For example, finding a specific cure for a disease. Problem-oriented research. As the name suggests, problem-oriented research is conducted to understand the exact nature of the problem, to find out relevant solution. The term problems refers to particular choices or issues when analyzing a situation. For example, revenue of a car company has decreased by 12% in the last year. The following could be the probable because there is no optimum production, poor quality of a product, or no advertising or economic conditions. Problem solving research. This type of research is conducted by companies to understand and solve their own problems. The problem solving method uses applied research to find solution to the existing problems. Qualitative research. Qualitative research is a process that is about inquiry. It helps create in-depth understanding of problems or issues in their natural settings. This is a non-statistical method. Qualitative research is heavily dependent on the experience of the researchers and the question used to probe up the samples. The sample size is usually restricted to 6 to 10 people. Open-ended questions are asked in a manner that increases answers that lead to another questions or group of questions. The purpose of asking open-ended question is to gather as much information as possible from the sample. The following methods are used for quantitative research. Qualitative research: one-to-one interview, focus groups, ethnographic research, content, text analysis, case study research. Next is quantitative research. Quantitative research is a structured way of collecting data, analyzing it to draw conclusions. Unlike qualitative methods, this method uses a computational and statistical process to collect and analyze data. Quantitative data is all about number. Quantitative research involves a large population. More people means more data. With more data to analyze, you can obtain more accurate results. This method uses close-ended questions because the researchers are typically looking to gather statistical data. Online surveys, questionnaires, and polls are preferable data collection tools used in quantitative research. There are various methods of deploying survey or questionnaires. Online surveys allow surveys creators to reach large amount of people or a smaller focus group or for different type of research that meet different goals. Survey respondents can receive survey on mobiles, phones, in email, or can Simple, use the internet to access survey. The next topic is what is the purpose of research. There are three purposes of research: exploratory, as the name suggests. Exploratory research is conducted to explore a group of questions. The answer and analytic may not offer a final conclusion to the perceived problems. It is conducted to handle new problem areas which haven't been explored before. This exploratory process lays the foundation for more conclusive research and data collection. Next is descriptive research. Descriptive research focuses on expanding knowledge on current issues through a process of data collection. Descriptive studies are used to describe the behavior of a sample population. In a descriptive studies, only one variable is required to conduct the study. The three main purposes of descriptive research are describing, explaining, and validating the findings. For example, a study conducted to know if top-level management leaders in the 21st century possesses the moral right to receive a huge sum of money from the company profit. Next is an explanatory research or causal research is conducted to understand the impact of certain changes in existing standard processes. Conducting experiment is the most popular form of causal research. For example, a study conducted to understand the effect of the bending on customer loyalty. To understand the characteristic of research design using research purpose, here is a comparative analysis. Here is the research approach used to unstructured exploratory research, descriptive research. This is structured, and exploratory research is highly structured. SEM research conducted through asking research question. For exploratory research, asking research question. For descriptive research, by using research hypothesis. For explanatory research, why is it connected? When is it connected? Early stage of decision making. For exploratory research, later stage of decision making. For descriptive research, latest stage of decision making for explanatory research. Research method is defined as the tool or instruments used to increase the goals and an attribute of a study. Think of the methodology as a systematic process in which the tools or instrument will be employed. There is no use of a tool if it is not being used efficiently. Research began by asking the right question and choosing an appropriate method to investigate the problem. After collecting answers to your questions, you can analyze the findings or observation to draw appropriate conclusions. When it's come to the customer and market studies, the more through your questions, but the better by thoroughly collecting data from customer through surveys and questionnaires. Get important insights into brand perceptions and product needs. You can use this data to make smart decisions about your marketing strategies to position your businesses effectively. Thank you, Jayoti.